Welcome back, guys. Been a while. Today, coming at you with my first ever carbon plated shoe. I've gone Hoka carbonx. You can pick them up quite cheap now because the carbonx 2 is out, and there's been some good reviews about the carbonx. So we're gonna get out, we're gonna do 1 hour, 20 minutes easy, and then 20-minute lactic threshold, and then 20-minute easy. So we'll see just how good these carbon shoes are. Let's get into it. I'm not into all that technical jargon. First thing we're going to look at on the Carbon Rocket X version 1 is, did they make my feet hurt? Now, Hoka or whatever you want to call them are known for being big, soft, cushiony shoes, but I just feel they're not quite as bouncy and soft as what I thought. I've gone through to size, men's size 10. The room, the space for the toes when displaying, nothing wrong with that. I just think, especially on my right foot, that it's a little bit more firmer than what my Reeboks were, or whether that's the carbon plate. If you have got these shoes and it does take a while to break in, drop a comment down below, let me know. But at the moment, 2 kilometers in, so I can't really pass judgment, but let's get into the run. Next thing we can discuss is how long I think they're gonna last. Now, those of you will know I only run hard once a week. These will be for my fast runs, so I do 1 a week, and I'll probably race in them as well. So they're probably gonna last me about 6 months, fingers crossed. Do you ever get them days where there's absolutely no wind and it's humid? Whew. Sticky, or close as some people would say. So I suppose the next question is how much they set me back. Now, these are retailing for £120 in the UK, but I'm sure if you shopped around you'd get a good deal. But £120 for a carbon plated race shoe, we're on to a winner there. There's no need to buy the version 2. Top tip, to save yourself a few pennies, buy the old iteration. Doesn't matter there's version 2, at some point people like that version 1 anyway. And the last question, would I buy them again? Now, knowing me as well as you know me, 1, I love trainers. 2, I love the bargain. They don't call me Del Boy for now. So what I want you guys to do is pause the video and drop in the comments what time you think I can run 5k in the Hoka carbonx. Now, I will say that the course is negative downhill by about 25 meters. So, well, that's a 5k in the bag. Oh. No matter how much you say it, you always blow a gasket anyway. Hurt locker. Anyway, how's your guesses? First kilometre 3:25, 3:29, 3:39, 3:42, and then 3:32 or 3:33, something like that. So, did I break 18? I said at the start, if I didn't get 18 something, then I'd be disappointed. We ended up running 17:51. So, starting to feel in good shape. Starting to get some sort of shape back. 17:51. Felt strong. Good turn over the legs. And boy, these shoes, man. I'm converted. 100% converted. Anyway, nice walk back to the house, and we'll wrap the video up. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm definitely looking forward to running in the carbonx more and seeing how many PBs I can make. Just want to thank you for understanding my inconsistencies with posting videos and irregularities of timings. I'm just trying to get used to some medication and still trying to get back to normal training. Please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you know and you're notified when I upload, and drop a comment down below, and we'll see you now in a minute.